Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1227, and today's topic is spreading of new pandemic Mpox, and the alert is given by World Health Organization. So it is a very recent pandemic caused by this virus, and that virus name is Mpox. And if you remember, my lot of lectures are there on virus, COVID-19 disease, COVID-19 virus. And before going to the history, let me tell you what type of virus it is. Actually, there are two conditions for virus: to contain, to carry genetic material. One genetic material, a single strand, that is RNA. So your coronavirus was having single strand RNA genetic material, but this one, Mpox virus, is having double strand, double helix DNA genetic material. So either in virus, the genetic material is RNA or DNA. So we may call it either it is DNA based virus or RNA based. So this one very particular today in 2024, the virus which is very much in question and it is causing a lot of panic and alert is given by WHO is double strand DNA virus. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, and double strand means, for example, if I am saying RNA, it is single, strand is single, but if it is double, it is double strand, and this is single strand, and this is DNA, and this is RNA. So this one, Mpox virus, is actually double helix or double strand virus, and here actually the name of the virus is pox. So M stands from where the M came. It has historical background. In 1958, when Europeans were very much working on polio vaccine, so from Denmark, they imported some 4 or 5 monkeys from Singapore. And when they received those monkeys, they found that one of the monkey is dull and sick. And then they tested the blood and all those sickness, and they found that that particular monkey was suffering from viral attack, and that virus was pox. And since it was isolated, identified from one of the monkey, that's why they added the word monkey. So sometimes it is also called as monkeypox. Which is very much in news nowadays, monkeypox or Mpox. So that is the clear term. And how it started and sparking, spreading. It started from one country that is called Democratic Republic of Congo in Central Africa, and from Congo it started sparking and spreading all over the world. And in one of the research paper I have gone through in a very recent research publication, that one 9-year-old boy in Congo and his family members, they were very close, very friendly with lot of monkeys, and they were playing. So that particular boy, 9-year-old boy, he was very closely living with monkeys, and monkey were the carrier of this pox virus, and since it was always with monkeys, that virus got the platform as a human being, from animal to human being. The reason is that this virus, pox virus, that is called mpox, was identified in 1958. So within this 60 years time, it was not very much spreading, or there was not pandemic type of situation. Why all of a sudden in August 24, 2024, it became pandemic and alert all over the world? Today, 160 countries are reporting positive cases, and 12 African countries are reporting mpox positive cases. It means very quickly it is spreading, and the reason is that people are mobile, and in India also, in Kerala, the case is reported, and investigated, they found that one gentleman, he came from Dubai, and he was having some partnership with one of the West African man, and he was spending time shaking hand and meeting, and that was the reason that he became a carrier. So, and here, let me give you very clear proof. There are two type of mpox viruses. One is called clade 1, other one is called clade 2. So, what mpox virus is reported in Congo, in that 9-year-old boy, that victim, is clade 1. So, clade 1 is dangerous. Clade 2 is not that much spreading, and it is not causing that much danger. But the clade 1 is very dangerous, and it can cause death, and according to recent reporting, up to 10% people, they died because of clade 1. Why? I mean, mpox virus. So these are all very, very important reasons. That's why I have taken this lecture, so that in West Africa, because in West Africa it is multiplying, incubation is taking place. And here one thing is good, that this mpox belongs to orthopox group of virus. Orthopox, cowpox, smallpox, they are having the same series of virus. So if anybody who is vaccinated for smallpox is having immunity, and what in research paper they are mentioning, that in some of the African countries, because of negligence, they don't go for vaccination. Otherwise, if 2-3 years ago, anyone who is vaccinated with smallpox vaccine, it will cover. It will not allow mpox to spread, but it is spreading. So lot of research and lot of meeting is going on, whether they should start again injecting the smallpox vaccine or to modify it. And to my knowledge and information, in America they are already having this vaccine. So I wish that they will release to other countries where thousands of victims are there. And now we should be ready to create the infrastructure of quarantine, isolation, hospital, nurses, all trained people, so that what we face all of a sudden in 2020, we call it, it started by November 2019 from Wuhan. That situation should not be there. We should be ready, and definitely it is spreading, and World Health Organization has already given the alert about this virus. Here I am showing the blister on the face of human being, and it is because of mpox, and it is in third stage, because first stage there will be no symptom, and second stage there will be rashes, and finally in third stage there will be formation of blister, and then it will be in chronic condition. This is chronic condition, third stage, where lymph node is swollen and this blister is having pus and lot of inflammation. This is terrible condition, and this is the last stage of that one. And if this condition happens, please isolate that person, and also he should be put in quarantine and family members should be keeping away from him. This is the condition where the blister is diffused, or we can say now it is burst, and then slowly it is started recovery because of our immune system, and some medication has suppressed this condition. This is the small particles, or I can say mpox virus. In electronic microscope recently it is shown that this type of shape of mpox virus is there. So the same I have just given in the form of abstract or summary. Number 1 point, it is the species, that is mpox virus with double-stranded DNA. I have given the explanation about the double-stranded molecule of DNA that causes mpox disease in human and other animals. It is a zoonotic virus belonging to orthopox virus genus, and making it closely related to variola, cowpox and vaccinia rus. Smallpox and mpox viruses are similar, and smallpox vaccine is effective for mpox virus. So since both are similar, once you are vaccinated with smallpox, it will cover. So I have already given all the explanation. Number 2, symptoms. Symptoms, actually, in the case of if someone is infected for 1 week, it is symptomless. He or she will not get any symptom. The symptom will start in 2nd week, and that symptom is, that is in human, includes rash that forms blisters. I have already demonstrated those images of lymph node blisters, pus, and all those chronic condition in the photos. Blisters, and then finally swollen lymph nodes. Lymph node is a police. So once your lymph node is swollen, is affected, is a clear bad signal to you that something serious has happened. The mpox is transmissible between animals and humans. Number 3, there are 2 types of mpox viruses. The one type is, that is clade 1, and second one, that is clade 2. And the clade 1 is responsible for the current rise of cases in Central Africa. That 9-year-old boy who was affected in Congo, it was due to clade 1 type of mpox virus. In Africa and Central Africa and Eastern Africa, historically, clade 1 caused higher number of severe illness than clade 2, with up to 10% of people globally dying from clade 1 type. And here, let me mention, actually clade 2 type infection of this mpox virus was noticed in 2022. But at that time, people were frustrated and they were tired because of COVID-19 coronavirus. So many people, they could not notice this 2022 mpox spreading. But today, after some mutation, some structural arrangement, some of its variants, they got enough time to incubate in human being, and they came with new strain of clade 1, and that is more fatal and sparking globally. That's why 160 countries are reporting positive cases, where 12 African countries are reporting. So it is high time for us to take care. So with this, I will stop. But in the last but not least, if you have lost your health, everything is lost. So please take care of your health, means your immune system. Your doctor is your immune system. Take proper diet, which includes vitamin, mineral, antioxidant, so that your immune system is strong to fight mpox virus. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.